Welcome to this FortiOS 7.6.1 tutorial. In this video, we will explore the FortiGate GUI, the visual interface for managing your gateway firewall. You will learn how to navigate menus, filter tables, use global search, and recover missing components, all for beginner purposes. So let's get started. So the GUI menu gives you access to all major configuration areas from dashboard and network, policy and all. Here we see we have our dashboard, we have our network. For example, here we can see our interfaces. Here we can see our firewall policy. So, and menu is tailored to your FortiGate's enabled features. But if a menu seems to be missing, we can enable it. So say that you are missing something here, so you can go to System and Feature Visibility. This here have many features are hidden. So here we have core features, and we can see that we have IPv6. So many, for example, here additional features. There are many features which are not enabled, and we can enable as we need. For example, local out routing, multicast, and it will show up here. So tables. So let's now take a look at tables and interaction. So FortiOS uses tables to manage objects, rules, and for example here. Here we can see we have many columns, but how to manage these? So we can click this gear, and you can see that what we are seeing here is only these, but have many other columns we can enable. So let's, for example, let's add, for example, last used. And you can see here last used, and we can move these as we need. Also, just hover over it, click, and move it. Very simple and very flexible. So we need to move, for example, destination as so here, right. And if you want to set all these to the defaults, you can click again on the gear and reset table, and the column that we activated will be finish, and it will go back to very simple and very flexible. So using the search bar and column filters, you can filter data in multiple ways using search bar, for example. So here, click here, and here we can search for anything. So let's try, for example, allow. Click enter. Here we can see that we have rules that are, this is a rule, allow management. So anything contains allow will show up here, and here we have filters. So this way, in this right now we are searching all these places, but maybe you want only to search network, and now we can't see anything because on the network there is no allow. It could not allow, but if I enable here policy objects, they will come up because these are. So this way we are searching all categories, and as we said, you can choose any individual and search. So now an important thing here, the loading artifacts from this CDN. What is a CDN? CDN stands for Content Delivery Network, which is a distributed network of servers that deliver content like images, JavaScript, style sheets, videos to users from locations geographically closer to them. So what a CDN does instead, instead of loading all graphical icons, scripts, etc. All these scripts and icons directly from your FortiGate, enabling CDN in FortiOS allows the Firewall GUI to load static files like images, CSS from Fortinet's global CDN server. So this setting allows GUI assets like icons, scripts, and styling files to be loaded from Fortinet's content delivery network instead of from local. Particularly helpful in high latency connections. For example, remote management over VPN. And what is very nice here, no restart is needed. Effect is immediate after saving. So and to enable that, we need to go to our CL here. Let's open it. And we can just config system global. And then set the CDN. Just set GUI CDN and now it is enabled. And we can take end here. So GUI elements now load from Fortinet's CDN faster for remote admins. Let's take a look at command palette. Command palette is very useful and very important. So, and we open it by the command palette is a powerful tool for advanced users. Let's take Ctrl+P, and here we have this command palette. You can quickly access CLI, restart services, and even copy or download output logs. So let's try, for example, Wi-Fi. And here you can see all commands and all pages about Wi-Fi that you can. Or let's try interface, interface, and we can see network interfaces. Let's try IPv4, nothing. DNS. We have anything you search. If there is a result, you will see all the results and everything about that. So DNS, let's try PGP. See here. Let's try. So we have many things. Let's take for this, and it will take us directly there. Again, run a command packet. And you can see run again. So in short, you can find anything using the command palette, which is Ctrl+. And that's a wrap on FortiGate GUI, FortiOS 7.6.1. Be sure to check out our next video on dashboard, security policies, and more. This video is done here, so thank you for watching and see you in the